Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a recipe for a juice that is amazing for your overall health and especially for the skin. If you're having any kind of skin issues such as dull skin, damaged skin or acne, this juice is amazing for it. I had the personal experience of using it for 6 weeks and my skin really transformed magically. My acne disappeared and my skin became much brighter and glowy. Very straightforward recipe. You're just going to need some cucumbers. Here I'm going to be taking 4 cucumbers and 1 big apple that I sliced into 4. For this I'm going to be using my whole fruit juicer. You can use any that you have. Here it is guys, this is the apple cucumber juice, mostly cucumber and just 1 apple, as an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Please try and consume a glass of this every single day for 6 weeks, and after 6 weeks you will see an amazing transformation of your skin. Your acne will disappear, or if you have scars they will disappear and your skin will be much more glowy and radiant. So if you like the video, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment as well. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.